Adjusting ladder placement. When ladders are placed to their objective, firefighters must ensure that they are at the proper climbing angle. Angles too low or too steep put increased shear forces on the ladder and may make them too difficult or too dangerous to climb. To check for a proper climbing angle, the firefighter stands facing the ladder, steps up onto the bottom rung, reaches out, and grasps the nearest rung with arms parallel to the ground. The climbing angle is correct if the firefighter's body remains upright, neither leaning into or away from the ladder. This angle will maximize the ladder's strength and provide the best angle for fire personnel to ascend and descend the ladder. Adjusting ladder placement, one member. The ladder is approached from the climbing side. Stand to the side of the ladder, straddling one of the beams. Spread your feet in a solid braced stance. Squat down while grasping the center of the second rung, palm facing up. With the other hand, grasp a rung above your head as high as comfortable with palm facing down. Look up while lifting the ladder, keeping the back straight and using the leg muscles for lifting. Adjust the ladder in or out, arriving at the proper climbing angle. Look down and stick ladder to the ground. Ensure 4 points of contact. Recheck the climbing angle and readjust if necessary. Adjusting ladder placement, two-member. Both firefighters stand on the sides of the ladder straddling the beams. Both members squat down while grasping the second rung, palm facing up. The other hand grasps a rung comfortably overhead, adjacent to the beam. The tip member must trap the halyard between the palm and the rung while adjusting the climbing angle. Both members watch the tip of the ladder, looking for obstructions and keeping the ladder in solid contact with the structure. Lift the ladder, keeping the back straight and using leg muscles to do the lifting. Adjust the climbing angle in or out as needed. The base member gives the command to stick the ladder to the ground, ensuring the spot is free of obstructions. Before the tip member releases the halyard, look up to ensure the dogs have not unlocked. Ensure 4 points of contact are made and the climbing angle is rechecked by the tip member. Adjusting ladder left or right, two-member. The firefighters position themselves similar to the position for adjusting the climbing angle. Both members squat down while grasping the second rung, palm facing up. The tip member must trap the halyard between the palm and the rung while adjusting. The other hand spans the beam comfortably overhead. Both members look up for obstructions while lifting the ladder using leg muscles and keeping the back straight. The ladder is adjusted to the left or right by slightly moving the base of the ladder away from the direction the ladder tip needs to go. This will cause the ladder tip to move in the proper direction. The ladder should be moved slowly in 1 to 2 foot increments. The hands which are grasping the beams are used for pushing and stopping the ladder in its travel. The butt member gives the command to stick the ladder to the ground, ensuring the spot is free of obstructions. Before the tip member releases the halyard, look up to ensure the dogs have not unlocked. Ensure 4 points of contact are made and the climbing angle is rechecked by the tip member. Moving the ladder while vertical. With the ladder in a vertical position, stand on the climbing side. Check for overhead obstructions. State, overhead, all clear. Place one foot on the bottom rung with the other foot back in a braced position. Span the beams with both hands. Remove the ladder from the building. Stabilize the ladder with a knee-foot lock. With the hand on the side of the desired direction of travel, grasp the center of the second or third rung. Choose a rung so that when the ladder is lifted, the butt will be between 6 inches and a foot off the ground. With the other hand, grasp the center of a rung as high as comfortable. Lift the ladder off the ground using your legs. Arms are locked and back is straight. Lean the ladder back slightly. Walk toward the new objective. Lower the butt to the ground. Stabilize the ladder with a knee-foot lock. Grasp both beams. Place one foot on the bottom rung with the other foot back in a braced position. Lower the ladder to the objective.